What if you could have 70,000 angels praying for your forgiveness tonight? Not metaphorically, literally, the most noble of creations interceding on your behalf. There is a specific night and a specific surah that unlocks this for you. Stay tuned. Hamim. والكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه في ليلة مباركة إنا كنا منذرين فيها يفرق كل أمر حكيم أمرا من عندنا إنا كنا مرسلين.
Mim. By the clear book. Indeed, we sent it down during a blessed night. Indeed, we were to warn mankind. On that night, every precise matter is made distinct, as a command from us. Indeed, we were to send messengers. These 5 verses alone tell you, the Quran is clear. It was sent on a blessed night, and on that night, your destiny for the coming year is decreed. Surah Ad-Dukhan is the
44th chapter of the Holy Quran, revealed in Makkah. It gets its powerful name from verse 10, which speaks of a terrifying smoke that will cover humanity as a punishment from Allah. But this surah is a complete warning. In this surah, Allah tells us, the Quran was revealed on a blessed night, Laylatul Qadr, a night of immense mercy and guidance. The smoke, Allah warns of a clear, visible smoke that will bring a painful torment to those who reject the truth. The fate of tyrants, Pharaoh and his arrogance. Despite his power, he was drowned. His gardens, springs, and treasures were left behind.
This is where it gets personal. The great companion Abu Hurairah reported that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever recites Surah Ad-Dukhan at night, 70,000 angels will seek forgiveness on his behalf. Whoever recites Surah Ad-Dukhan on the night of Friday will wake up with his sins forgiven." So here is your challenge. Tonight is Friday night. Before you sleep, in just a few minutes, open your Quran or your phone and recite Surah Ad-Dukhan. Start with the first 5 verses we just read, in Arabic with meaning. Then complete the rest. Only 59 verses total. Do it with intention. Do not let this night pass you by. 70,000 angels are waiting to pray for you. Take this opportunity and secure your forgiveness. If you found this valuable, share this with your family and friends. Let them know the power of Surah Ad-Dukhan. May Allah accept it from us all. Ameen. And Allah knows best.